everybody, and welcome to Unboxing with Scott. Today we are going to review the Hydroponics, and this is an amazing way that you can grow fruits and vegetables inside your home. So let me show you the whole kit. It has everything you need except for the water. So it is Hydroponics growing system, and this is what it looks like. So we have everything that you need but the water. We're going to take it apart and I'll show you step by step how to install it. Everything is automatic. It will produce the lights as it needs it. You don't have to do anything but make sure you keep it filled with. We're going to go ahead and take all the pieces out. And we're going to go ahead and put some water in here. Also has a level here where you can see how much water you're putting in. All right, and now you're going to get little seed pods like this. All right, the seeds are not included in this. So you have to use your own seeds. These are the seed pods. So we're going to put this in like this. But there are no seeds. You have to provide your own seeds. We're going to go ahead and fill this up. All right, all we have to do is put one seed in each pod. So I'm going to do that, then I'll show you the setting. All right, everything is automatic. So I set mine to vegetable, and now everything is automatic. So your light will come on and go off as needed. There's your water level. So it tells you, there's your water level, and it tells you when you need to add water. All right, you add the cap to each one until it sprouts. And then after it's done sprouting, you take